Samsung Galaxy A30 characteristic. 1. Dive into the larger 6.4 infinity display. 2. The Galaxy A30 travel camera is ready to capture any moment of, of your life. The 5MP deep camera allows you to control the background of your photos before and after shooting to get the perfect image. The Galaxy A30 16MP front camera photograph with total craftsmanship and with resolution your best day moments. It durates 4000 mAh battery. LG K60 characteristic. The LG K60 smartphone takes photographs to another level with its triple camera and contact a 120 por wide angle sensor shooting on one is length width of the photo and start angle camera with artificial intelligence and fast autofocus function and depth sensor